Hi guys, the Supreme Court verdict is out on the SCBC quota, so we'll have a look at that. So what happened last year? They implemented SCBC quota, which is 16% seats in Maharashtra state will be reserved for the Maratha students. So we can see here that socially and economically backward class SEBC Act, which was passed in 2018, 2019 it happened, it affected the admission, and the number of the कट ऑफ वॉज एज गुड एज ओ बी सी, थोड़ी ओ बी सी से ज़्यादा, ओपन से कम एंड ओ बी सी से ज़्यादा. दैट वॉज हैपन लास्ट ईयर. सो नाउ द वर्डिक्ट विच हैव कम, एडमिशन टू द एजुकेशन फॉर 2021 our this year batch shall be without the reference of the reservation provided in the act. So the admission will happen in the open category. That's what is confirmed here. Yeah, unless there is a further news on that, we have to see, wait and watch for that. But as of now, the admissions which are going on will happen this. Now when our CET will start, we have to wait and watch for that. What will happen to MBA programs? We have no idea how this quota system and this court case will affect our MBA admission. I'm too small as well to understand all these things because हमारा काम ही नहीं है भाई, हम लोग तो टीचर लोग हैं. So I want to focus on that. So but I want to look at what happens to the other colleges. So the first news which I have here is the National Law College, National Law University, which was in Maharashtra, have implemented the quota. Yeah, so the list which was released on Friday, they implemented the quota with SCBC quota. They implemented, but after the notice, however, after a legal notice was sent to NAU, they cancelled the admissions given to the socially backward class students and opened the seat for the general category student in the second list on Sunday evening. So CET में अगर quota cancel होता है, so what they will do, they will give the seat back to the open category seats in case this thing happen later on. So we have to wait and watch for that कि वो क्या होता है. Okay, so admission might happen. Admission will not be stopped. Admission will be given on the provisional basis. Then after the final admission जो भी होगा, they can change it to open. So this is one thing that can be done. So we have to now just wait and watch कि क्या होता है. Engineering colleges have feared that SCBC quota will delay the result for the first year student, and this is happening. They put a stay order on the law colleges as well, law admissions as well because of this. So there's a small possibility because of the delay in this thing, in this court verdict. So there might be a further delay as well. So we just have to wait and watch. Okay, so this is what happening in the other places. Now I just want to close my argument on that only. The admission for the educational institute for 2021 shall be made without reference to the reservation provided in the act. So this is the final verdict we have. So we'll wait for the further notice and see how the things shape up. Alright, how you feel about this, please do post in the comments so that I can also know your opinion on this. जो भी एयर प्रोसेस डिले मत करो, प्रोसेस स्टार्ट कर दो. बाद में SCBC का जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा वो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन चेंज द सीट टू ओपन कैटेगरी और SCBC. So this is something which is already being done in law colleges.